Hey everyone, today I'm going to share my personal journey of starting a business with absolutely no experience and show you exactly how I use Tailor Brands to make it happen. So you might be wondering, how does someone with zero business experience actually get started? Well, I was in exactly that position not too long ago. The thing is, I had this business idea, but felt completely overwhelmed by all the legal stuff and branding requirements. But then I discovered something that changed everything: Tailor Brands. Now, what makes Tailor Brands different is that they basically handle everything you need to start a business. I mean, they do not just help you form your LLC, they also create your logo, build your website, and even help with your social media presence. You see, it is like having a complete business launch team at your fingertips. So here's what I actually did first. I went to Tailor Brands' website and started with their LLC formation service. The process was surprisingly simple. You just enter some basic information about your business idea, and they guide you through everything else. I mean, I literally had no idea what I was doing, but their step-by-step process made it feel totally manageable. Now let me break down exactly what happens when you form an LLC through Tailor Brands. First, you choose your business name, and they check if it is available. Then, they handle all the paperwork, filing your articles of organization, getting you a registered agent, and even helping you get your EIN from the IRS. The whole thing costs about $299 plus state fees, which is actually pretty reasonable considering everything they do for you. But here is where things get really interesting. After setting up the LLC, Tailor Brands helps you create your entire brand identity. They use artificial intelligence to design your logo. You just answer some questions about your style preferences, and their system generates dozens of options. I mean, I was honestly amazed at how professional the results looked. The next step was creating my website. Now, I had always thought this would be super complicated, but Tailor Brands made it surprisingly straightforward. They have these templates that you can customize, and they even help you write your content if you need it. Plus, they handle all the technical stuff like hosting and domain registration. One thing that really impressed me was their social media tools. You see, they have this feature where they help you create and schedule posts across different platforms. I mean, as someone who was totally new to business marketing, this was like having a personal social media manager. Now, let us talk about the practical stuff. When you are starting a business, there are all these legal requirements you need to meet. Tailor Brands helps you stay compliant by sending reminders about important deadlines and filing requirements. They basically hold your hand through the whole process, costs and pricing. So let us break down the costs. The basic LLC formation package starts at $299, plus state fees, but I actually went with their premium package, which was $499. This included everything: LLC formation, website builder, logo design, and their social media tools. Honestly, when you consider everything you get, it is actually quite reasonable. You might be wondering how long all this takes. Well, the actual LLC formation process took about 3 to 4 business days in my state. Setting up the website and creating the branding materials took maybe another week, but that was mainly because I was being really picky about the design. The thing is, you could probably do it faster if you wanted to. Now, I will be honest, there were some challenges along the way. Sometimes I got stuck trying to decide on the right logo or website design. But the great thing about Tailor Brands is their customer support. Whenever I had questions, they were there to help. You actually get real humans who know what they are talking about. Tips for success. So, based on my experience, here are some tips if you are thinking about starting your own business. First, do not get overwhelmed by trying to do everything at once. Take it step by step. Second, use the tools and resources Tailor Brands provides. They really do make things easier. And finally, do not be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Well, if you're ready to start your own business, I have included my referral link for Tailor Brands in the description below. Using this link will actually get you a nice discount on their services. Just remember, everyone starts somewhere, and having no experience does not mean you cannot build a successful business. The thing is, starting a business might seem scary at first, but with the right tools and support, it is totally doable. I mean, if I could do it with zero experience, you definitely can too. So why not take that first step today? Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out. Good luck on your business journey.